Hello guys, so in this video I will show you how to get at least 100 FPS to 150. Now first, click play beta. Second, pick create new world or pick any world as optional. Now let's wait to load. As you can see my FPS is average on 40 and my previous frame rate is 70. Oh yeah, by the way, this is not visual. This is not visual. The FPS is not visual. Okay, reload into the world. Click pause and then settings. Scroll down. Click video. Now open frame pacing. So if you turn on frame pacing, it makes your wait for previous frame rate very high and your FPS is very low. Now I'm getting 28 FPS, so it sucks. Now wait for previous frame rate turn to like 10 like 16. Now save and quit. Now go back to settings again, then go back to video and then turn off frame pacing. Now look, I'm getting like I'm getting like eh, if you like do this, your FPS can cap to up to 80 to 160 because I have a lot of storage in here. Wait. What if I turn off these? What if I turn off these things? If I turn off these things? Uh, wait. Oh yeah. I forgot to turn off. Yeah. It makes your FPS very high. As you can see, I got 75, 76, 84, 85 because my tablet sucks. Alright, that's all for the video, and here's another. Here's the proof that it really gives you high FPS. Not really, slight, slightly, and you wait for your wait for previous frame rate will turn to about like 0.1 if you have like a lot of animation or stuffs within your world, so your FPS will be go down. Now my FPS is still on 45. If I go to my house and go to a near wall and do this, it makes your FPS still good. It's not visual. Slide. Oh, right. That's all for the video.